Okay, let's do a cold start. I haven't recorded a cold start at all though. Let's see. Is it so neutral? Every time there's someone. That is loud though. It's sitting at exactly 2000 RPM. My neighbors ain't gonna be happy at all. Love it. It looks beautiful now. It looks very beautiful with this angle though. I don't know what though, but there is like moist inside. Every time when I start it, cold start, every time there is like a few droplets of water. I think I'll go back with the same tires too, man. These tires have been shown good use to at sitting at 5,200 kilometers on these tires. Why change it? As soon as it hits 50, you will see how it dipped down so quick though. Check it out, yeah. Maybe 55. Yeah. No? There you go. Okay. Okay, let's go. I think traffic anyways. What the freaks. It's actually a beautiful place to do like clips, you know. There's a place, I think it will be abandoned for a second. Let's see. Yes, it is. I'll put the bike on the sun. How's the sign here? Let's see. Let's check my phone to see how it looks. Okay. I think the shadow is going this way, so I need to put it this way. There you are. Finally. I'll do a what do you call it? Sound test too. I'll record it from my phone as well. I'm worried if my phone falls in. It's gonna be a freaking shit show. There you go. Okay, so the mods. I haven't done anything else for the bike. Is it recording? Yeah, I haven't done anything else except for the exhaust update and the grips. So those are the only changes that I've made for this year there. So all the other updates that you guys know, the tank grips, the mirrors, the what do you call this again? Windscreen, the tail tidy, the brake lights, the frame sliders, the spool. So those were all the updates. So if you guys want me to do everything one by one, I'll do it right now, just in case so people know what mods that I've done. And it is really hot, and the shadow is making it worse though. Okay, so I'll start from the front. So the front is, these are the ZX 10 meters, but this is not the original one. This is actually the Chinese meters though. They suck. I had to do some fixes on my own to make it work properly. So that's that. Yeah, so they are not expensive, they are really cheap. This one, in the other hand, this is real carbon fiber with a smoke screen. I love this. It helps a lot. So I did recently plus 240. Didn't feel a thing on my chest there. So yeah, I love this. I highly recommend one of these top screens. So Puke does a good design. This is Max Tech from Thailand. It's a Thailand company. They're perfect. And then these are the Evo Tech lever guards. I actually love it. I think I like the Evo Tech Z. This is for a Z900. The ZX6R perfectly flushes in. So this one, it actually extends. I can actually relax my hand when I'm riding. So these are original Domino grips. I am selling them though. Selling Dynasty gear and anything Italian products. So yeah, and these are actually the Shogun frame sliders. I love how clean they look. They go all the way towards the frame of the bike, and there's a cutout so it doesn't scratch the plastics there. And this one, you know, this is the most beautiful looking brake lights. It's not like the Chinese one though. I love it. This is the US TST Industries. I love this brake light. Looks really good though. And this is actually a foldable number plate. You can flick it in and out the way you want. And the main show of this bike is the exhaust. I'm still trying to figure out if no, it's not touching. So yeah, here you go. The exhaust is what I wanted to show. I cannot actually start it next to my house. One of the neighbors already complained, saying, there's a baby. So I haven't, ever since I haven't started done any videos there. So yeah, this is my baby. She will stay with me for a while though. And the main reason I'm picking up the pickup, so I can haul this bike to a track instead of riding it. So it's not a cold start. Is it on neutral? It's not. Oh, there you go. So let me do a start. It is quiet though. Around 2000 RPM, it is quiet. I don't know if you guys can see the angle though. My ears are ringing already. My ears. They are ringing, bro. One of my ears are ringing. Okay, that's too loud. I'll tell you that is loud. So let me get one for my TikTok and Instagram too. Woo! 2023. Okay, I'm sweating my balls, so let's get going. Need to get ready. There are guests going to show up at my house. Ooh, also on the track day, bro. Look at the edges, no more edges, no more chicken strips. I never do that on the street, but on the track though, I was like, I was loving it. Okay. I think I should go here and do a pull, you know. Let's do that. Woo! The bike is hot.